just told him, if you will just play the way you're playing, we'll not win. But if you will step up your game, we're gonna win this 4-peat. And true to my words, he came out in the second half and give this championship to us. And credit to all my players. It's Ola and then the rest, Rome, Paser, Kyle,
Art de la Cruz.
Art de la Cruz siya. Art de la Cruz will always be there. He's my, siya yung ano eh, siya lang parang sa volleyball, libero. Parang pasok-pasok lang. Kailangan ko talaga siya. He's my secret weapon in this team. If he plays bad, we're dead. But Art did step up in this championship. Even though in the elimination, he was there. He was the hero once in a while. And I gave credit to Art. But still, it's all for the players. It's for the players for this championship.
Coach, winning moments in the defensive journey Ola and steal by Vice ba yun?
By Vice. Yeah, when Ola blocked that shot, I said to myself, yeah, this is for San Beda. This championship is for San Beda. The way that Ola played in the second half, he really bring us to the championship. He bring us this 4-peat and to all the players.
He's coming back, hindi ba?
Ola? Yeah, it's 2 more years for us, so he's coming back for next year. It's probably Rome who's graduating. Kyle is graduating, but it's up to Kyle if he wants to. He's graduating in terms of academics, but if he will not file for graduation, then he can still play for another year. And I'm hoping he will change his mind. But this is it's a good cup for their careers in the college.
Coach, it's been a long season. Was there any doubt in your mind na baka sakaling hindi kayo makapasok sa finals and hindi na contend for the championship?
All I knew is that if we make it to the top 2, we have a good chance of making it to the finals because we just have to win one in the final 4, and we achieved it. And we won it. We won against Perpetual, and facing that one, it will not be as sweet this 4-peat if not we're gonna play that one. It's always that one, and it's a capping moment for everyone that we played that one in the finals. And give credit to that one. Give credit to Coach Kaloy and the rest of the players. They did a good job. Nahirapan kami, but at the end we won this time.
Coach, balikan natin yung before the season started, you told us na lagpas ka akong pressure. How sweet it is for you?
Well, as of now, tanggal na yung pressure. Ang pastao, ngayon tanggal na lahat. Nawawala na yung stiff neck ko. Nawawala na yung sakit ng ulo ko. But come to think of it, I just have to enjoy this one. I have to go back practice tomorrow for NS. And then look forward for the PCCA for San Beda. And there's no it's my job, it's my responsibility to San Beda. So I'll continue to do my job.
Pero hindi ka one and done, ha?
No, I will not be one and done. It's up to, as what I've said, my tenure for San Beda is all up to Boss Eddie. It's all up to the fathers. I will not be one and done. I had a contract to honor, but it's still up to Boss MVP and San Beda community for the decision. I'm just happy that I won this one, and I love the school, even though I'm not. I really love the school. I love the fathers. I love the people behind it, and I really do love Boston. It's been there for them.
Coach, one PBA championship, apat na D-League, tapos ito NCAA, anong mga sayo mo?
Well, I'm blessed. I'm so blessed, and I thank God for that. With all the sacrifices that my family has been experiencing when I did coach, I credit the Lord for giving me the health as well as the family who can understand the situation that I'm in right now. And I appreciate the support of my wife and my 2 daughters and my mother as well. And my family for always been there.
Just for the record, Coach, sa PBA, saan kayo ng-championship?
I won it with Santa Lucia on my first year as well. I won it San Beda on my first year as well. I won in NLEX on my first year as well. But come to think of it, it's all for my players. I will not be winning championship if not with my players. So give credit to them and also my coaching staff. Coach Adonis always been there for me, and I appreciate that. Coach Cholo was there for me. Everybody in my coaching staff, my career, I appreciate it.
Comparing this with your other coaching stints, Coach, anong masasabi mo?
Well, masarap pala ang mag-champion sa college because lahat ng tao, lahat ng alumni, mamahalin ka eh. They were just like they're supporting you. Parang, you know that there are some better alumni there supporting you. So, ang sarap ng feeling mag-champion like in the college. And we're looking for, kung ganito ang sitwasyon, masarap pala mag-champion, why not? Diba? Pero it's still up. We just have to enjoy this one and look forward for another year.
So coach, is it safe to say na ito yung championship na pinaka-na-enjoy mo? Ano?
Well, all my championship, I enjoyed all my championship. Like the first time I won a championship with Santa Lucia, it was my first coaching job as head coach, and I won it. And I'm happy for that. I will cherish it always because I won the Coach of the Year in the PBA back then.
Anong year na yun, Coach? This
would
was
say-
2008. It's an all-Filipino crowd. And then I had a 4 championship with NLEX, and I do thank Boss Mon Fernandez and the NLEX management for that.
yung first championship mo sa NLEX man?
Was in 2012? 11. That's the first inaugural foundation cup, and I won that. So I credit also that to my management, especially Boss Mon Fernandez and the NLEX management. But here, it's for Boss and it's for Boss.
Coach, yung
Where
challenge.
do you attribute that? Kasi first time champion, first year champion again. Where do you attribute that?
Well, probably it's the work ethic. I really don't want to lose. I always come to the games. I always come to practice, prepare. And it's also with my coaching staff. We always talk about what the things we're going to do from day to day in preparation for the next games. Pinag-aaralan namin. It's more of a work ethic, I think. I believe it's work ethic because sa totoo lang, hindi naman ako magaling coach. It's just like, I just have to be ready every time. And I do thank my assistant coaches for that. They always been there for me. But syempre, especially, it's blessed by God. I'm happy and I do thank the Lord for it.
Coach, naging teammate mo ba si Art de la Cruz, yung tatay?
Yeah, he was the. Actually, when I first got the San Beda job, I talked to Art. I told Art, when I came in, the first time I came in Manila, it was Tito Arthur de la Cruz who welcomed me with Santa Lucia. Siya yung dating sikat na doon sa Santa Lucia. Dumating ako, we have Eugene Kilban. But he was there, and he's guiding me because sikat na sila sa San Sebastian before. So, pagdating ko, winelcome ako Tito Art. And then when